Apparently, if you get hungry, somewhere in here is a potato chip. Before we get started, I want to tell you to go ahead and smash that like button. Because if you don't, then the cereal and orange juice that's in your backpack is going to spill everywhere. So don't let that happen out there, guys. Because you know what they say out there in the world? They say that if you don't comment, like, and subscribe, you're going to have spilled cereal and orange juice in your backpack. Today we're going to do some shoes. We're going to take them out of the box. My second pair of shoes ever. Really excited. So they said these shoes are 4D printed. And I was like, well, 4D print me up a cheeseburger. Because I'm hungry. And they said it doesn't work that way. So what we got here is a box. On it says Adidas. Those are letters. It's got 3 stripes on it. Those 3 stripes, if you want to Google it, they stand for the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So here we go, guys. These shoes were made in a laboratory by robots. That was a robot fart. Yeah, can you smell that? It's definitely a robot fart. So I definitely think technology's gonna take over. Robots are gonna run the world. So look at this, all of you people out there. This shoe was made by a robot for me to wear and to have and to cherish. It feels like a shoe that was made by a small child in a sweatshop. It feels just like that. Like, you know, your regular normal shoe that's made by a child in a sweatshop for very little money. It feels just like that, but this was made by robots. As you can see, this is the matrix in here. Called Continental, like the tire. And also probably because these are shaped, if you look from this angle, you can see they're shaped exactly like the continental United States. And these 3 stripes, like I told you a little bit earlier, these stand for donuts, coffee, and cereal and orange juice in your backpack. So this part here, I don't know if I could walk on this. This kind of looks like a sponge that you wash yourself with under the bridge. So maybe that might double for a sponge that I can use to wash myself under the bridge. That'd be good. There's a RFID chip in these, which I'm not sure what that means. Apparently, if you get hungry, somewhere in here is a potato chip. So in conclusion, I'd say these are the shoes you want if there's a zombie apocalypse. Most definitely. You know, again, if you get hungry, there's potato chips somewhere in here. So that's a really good thing to have in the zombie apocalypse. You know, 2 potato chips. That'd probably get you through at least, like, you know, a good 30 seconds.